Hello guys, hello and welcome. So I'm live with another video today, and in this tutorial we will learn about the bar chart visualizations. So I want to add the bar chart over here first. So let's start. As you can see, this is my new Power BI version. It's 2023 versions. So I think you can check it out from here about. So yes, you can see this is September 2023 version I'm using. Okay, so that's why here I can see all the visualizations. So I want to take bar chart and want to add it in my visualization area. So let's click over here. Okay, so let's start taking the things in it, and I will show you how we can do more static with the bar chart. So let's take my values first. So I have multiple tables, but I want to know which industry owns more cars. So let's take the job industry category, and in the x-axis let's take the car owners. Okay, so now you can see this is my basic bar chart. We can check the industries like manufacturing, financial services, health, retail, property, IT, entertainment, agriculture. So we have almost around 10 industries, and as you can see we have the highest. Okay, so let's click on it. Now you can see the data labels. So data labels is basically this white numbers. This is basically the count of the car owners. You can check over here. So in the manufacturing and financial industries have more cars rather than the other industries like health, retail, property, and IT. So let's go and do a little bit of formatting. Okay, so let's give it this car owner industry. Okay, so industry, right? So here you can see we have our title over here, and if I want to change the color of my chart, that I don't want it. Okay, so okay, let's take this, right, make it bold and put it center. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to duplicate this bar chart and format this new bar chart with proper formatting. Okay, so there is one more thing that we can do is we can, you know, we can change our bar chart like this. Okay, that's look more cool. These are all basically the themes that you can apply, and I think it's look great. Wow, that's beautiful colors which I really like. Okay, so that's done. Okay, so what I want to do with this bar chart and with this bar chart, I want to make more clean bar chart. So what I want to do, I will go to his data and create a new measure. Let's see his holder is equal to 0 and just make it. Okay, and when it's done, just commit. Okay, and let's see, I want to add this bar chart placeholders into this, and let's see what's the difference it will bring. So let's add the placeholder. So now you can see, okay, so I want to do it up because, okay, I think that's fine. But okay, so what I want to do, and I want to the properties tab, what I want to do, I want to of the legends. So now you can see they all are equal, but there is a very good spacing between both of them. So we are here basically. So I'm going to create a new measure, so which will replace the 0 placeholder with the name of the industries. So let's click on it, and let's click on the labels to placeholders, right? So let's select it value, click on selected value and click on the categories which we are having on the x-axis. We'll click over here so we can show in on above the bars. Let's click and let's comment. Okay, so we created this labels placeholder. As we did labels to placeholder, selected value. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this into as a custom labels. So let's go to this and let's go to just a second. Let me just close the formatting tab and then just click on it. And let's see how we can replace the properties or the visuals. So let me check. Here you can see we apply placeholders, or we can on it, or we can off it like this. So let's show how, and let's put on the custom labels, and let's put the custom labels over here. So now you can see as we put the custom labels, data labels into value section here, and we own the custom labels, like you can see on, and we put label to placeholder over here. Okay, so what we do, we just come on over here and play around with this. As you can see, there's a spacing between 40, it looks like this. So we'll play around with spacing, and now you can see it show like this. So we give the inner padding 2, and okay, so now you can see it look like this. But I think that's 50, that's 40. Okay, so I think that's look quite clean. So we play in the bars and with the spacing, and now we will able to put the industry names over here, right? So we will clean this y-axis as well. So now you can see we will convert the values and the category combined. So labels to value, we took the same industry category into a variable which is name is item name, variable count, a label placeholder which I create for the values, and then we create a variable full item name plus count return full value. So we will apply this measure so you can notice it as well. I hope I can make it big for you, but there is no option. So next time I will zoom it out for you this measure. So we have one variable which calculate the bring the category name. We have another variable which bring the value, and then we sum up both with the this ampersand pipe, and we can give a little space over here so the values will be more clean and it will return the full label, right? Let's save it and let's see what change it will show. So here you can see labels to value. Okay, so now you can see here is my bar chart where this one is first one and this one is second. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna you know close the accesses. I'm gonna close the data labels. Okay. So here we are. So now you can see the difference between the bar chart formatting. Here we have the y-axis, we have the titles which not look good. Here we have the data labels, right? So if I shorten, it will give me this issue, right? The label is not aligned, right? So what I do, I create this and it will not create any problem with your bar chart formatting. So that's it for today. Thank you.